In Project 2, you will deal with resizing and resampling images, creating vector paths and shape layers, applying non-destructive styles, effects, and filters, and developing custom artistic backgrounds. You will also work with resizing versus resampling. You'll add or remove pixels to fit new physical size. Changing resolution changes physical size, and vice versa. Resampling reorders existing pixels into different physical size and changes resolution and does not affect physical size. This PowerPoint presentation is available to you. It is linked to Project 2, and you could download it, review it. You can see each one of these pages. You can see what's to come for this chapter: vector shape layers, vector tools, vector tool options, and vector paths, anchor points and anchor handles, clipping masks, and built-in styles. In the Montage project, stage 1, you will have imported this image and you'll have one layer here. After you resize and resample the existing source image, you will develop the layout, and around the middle of the project you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layers, and it'll look something like this. You'll learn how to use path to cut out the car. You can see here that this is the vector mask thumbnail. At the final stage of the Montage project, you will have 10 layers. As you can see here, I've reduced my layer size so that I can see more at a glance. You can do that by going to your drop-down menu and choosing panel options. Your layout might be set to this large thumbnail size. I changed it to small thumbnail preview. That's why I can see all of my thumbnails all at once. Once you get to page 143, your book will ask you to print a composite proof. If you have a printer, you can print a composite proof at home, or perhaps at the library or lab where you are working. This assignment does not ask you to save it as a flat TIFF, just to print it. So once you save your montage.psd for the final time, I'd like to ask you to reduce the file size so you don't send me an 86 megabyte file. When you do save it, don't forget to add your last name first, underscore before the montage. And you'll also add low res to the file name. You can also make it last name first initial. That'll make it really short. And then that'll be in front of the montage, adding low res to it. And it will already have the extension .psd. We'll go up to image size, and we'll change the resolution to 72. You can see that it was 14, it's now 850 K, which is a huge reduction from the megabyte size, and this is less than 1 megabyte. Okay, so it looks small here, but if I hit Command 0 to fit in window, I can still see all the details, and I can see all the layers of the work that you've done. Now you will File, Save As, and go to Montage. We're going to use last name and first initial, which might be an A or something, and Shift underscore montage. I'm going to add the low res here. This way we have saved an extra file separate from the original PSD. That way you have one that's archived as the high resolution and one is the low resolution. You can always go back to work on the high resolution. This one is specifically for transporting, sending it to a client for review, that type of thing. And hit save. And OK.